Well, hello, this is Gmodism Nerdy channel here, and I thought we should just try some pretty simple stuff, see what has happened with the dev build. This is the latest dev build as of end of June. So you can see that our hood is different now, and yeah, actually you can see the little markers when we mark stuff is different as well. So we had some changes, yeah. You can see it here as well, the icon changed there. Now I won't go through all of the changes, just some minor things. Yeah, shields, we had actually a new update since I checked yesterday, but shields were the same when I checked, so I'll just assume they are the same. We're going to make a little reactor thing, yeah. We're going to put it back of the ship, and we're just gonna try out the weapons if they have the effects now, and also try all the new combinations. You can see we have also renamed. It's gray basic armor instead of hull. Anyhow, we just want a little thruster as well, so we can move around easily. And I barely find stuff in this game anymore. Right, we have that. We have lots of info here, but yeah, if you catched previous videos, you know that the pulse thing has been removed, yeah. So that's not a thing anymore. Alright, we have a cannon there and a cannon there. Missile there, beam there, beam there. And I'm not going to make the hugest weapon system, just some basic stuff. Like, that's that one, and then we have the, whoa! Okay, that's a random FPS drop, interesting. And the backup beam there. We have the missile there. And now we go. The backup missile here, and then we have the cannon there and the backup cannon system there. So let's have some missile capacity stuff, and they seem to still use the old texture, yeah. Something that's been changed is texture pack, I believe. Let's see here, if I can remember which block has new textures. I think these rail stuff had new textures last I checked. You can see we have a little nice, this looks unfinished to be honest, the turret one. But this one you can see it's kind of new and nice. Yeah, that also looks unfinished, but if I understand, the texture packs are in progress, so I freaked out a little bit when I saw the in progress ones, but yeah, they'll probably be worked on some more. Is this the same? I think so. Yeah, I'm not sure exactly which have been changed or not, but anyhow, we might try out that thing later. However, I guess the tractor beam is basically the same, but I wanna see if the effects work. Okay, so here we have an electromagnetic effect. Can we link up? Yes, we can. We can link up stuff to effects now. So perhaps effects are actually working. We are going to try that out. So let's spawn a heat effect here. Oops. And oops, a kinetic effect here. So it seems that they use the factory, the basic capsule. Yeah, okay, it's just recycled. All right. Okay, we're going to drag down the systems here. So I'll just try any of them like this. So how's our cannon now? Oh, I mean beam. I can't see the difference with the computers. They're so similar. It stays online very long time, yeah. And here it's just that, yeah, okay. It scales off stuff. Oh, I have 2 beam. That explains some stuff. Okay, now I see some difference. Right, we have the cannon, and it... Wow, that's weak. That's weak, man. That's weak. Wow, 10 block cannon can shoot it can shoot dirt, which is nice. The FPS drops notably every time I hit, but this is dev build, so keep that in mind. That's an interesting. Okay, so that one didn't. Very low damage. And now we have a cooldown for them to reload, yeah. So we're going to try out the beam and beam combination. And where is that now? There we have it. Alright. Oh shit, okay. Weapon must be charged for 5 seconds. So we charge it and the shield is down if we had any, and then it's just wow. I mean, it looks super powerful and shit, and it's locked on, but I mean, the damage is kind of laughable. Okay, so how about the beam with a... Okay, we need to wait for that. So let's try the missile with beam support. And we have to wait for that to reload. So let's try the cannon in the meantime. It's only 9 combinations, so... Yeah, that's not very strong. Oh, yeah, right. So this is a huge block, yeah? And with the new armor system, it means that it's actually really sturdy. Yeah, I almost forgot that. So if I, for example, will take the sandwich and I put a disconnected little brown basic plate here, that's just a 10 by 10, and it's not connected to, it's like, yeah, like this. We'll jump back here. It should deal much more damage. Alright, yeah, I'm not sure I see that, but that's how it's supposed to work. So if I just fire a single shot like that... Interesting. Oh shit, yeah. If you right click, we have this zoom. That's pretty dope. I mean, the accuracy is really interesting too. I mean, it's hard to hit. And left menu is switches firing mode. So now it's unfocused. Now it's... Oh, now it's focused. Oh yeah, okay. So, if I would have more cannon modules and put them out for volley, how will the fire pattern look like? That's what we're going to find out. And like this, okay. So now it's like that. Now it's volley. Alright, cool. So now they, I guess you can see, okay, now I have some recoil, but let me just show you. Like that. It's alternating. This is interesting. Well, anyway. There we go. Cool. That new firing mode is pretty nice. I like that. Let's try this beam missile thing. That was an arc beam, yeah? So we can't break this latch if I understand correctly. Which is cool. It continues forever too, so that actually deals some good damage. And we also have the missile with beam support. And that's of course a lock-on missile. And that's cool and all. So if we have a lock on here and we fire... No. Okay, it still has some reloading time. Okay. Well, I guess they work as usual anyway. If we have the beam with the cannon support, though, we have this kind of normal beam. It's semi-constant and it's just normally doing stuff. It seemed to be... I guess it's penetration in that case. Not sure how this works really, but it's really powerful. And the glow on the... the glow on the lasers is really nice. Boom. Anyhow, we haven't tested missile. And of course it takes time to reload. So in the meantime we can test the artillery cannon thing, yeah? Okay, so we'll just, maybe this is load or not. No? Okay. It has some good blast. The recoil is insane. Did it do much damage though? I don't see a deep hole or anything. But maybe the exit point affects kind of stuff. Did it actually... Oh yeah. Cool. It penetrated the whole thing. Yeah, so... it's hard to check this because I need a much bigger rig to check this, but you know, the size of the entrance of the gun will change the damage distribution. Okay. So this thing now. Oh, you can see the menu about the Makan is different too. This is also some kind of charge weapon, as last time we tried. I believe this was the only powerful one, really. Boom. Okay. And now it did some damage. Boom. Can we shoot through these plates then? Half mode, can't hold it more, fire, oh god. Yep, went through the first two. Pretty cool. But it feels kind of yeah, it doesn't really make sense to analyze this too much. Oh yeah, right, this is the bomb. So we need to move towards the target when doing this. Yeah, okay. Right, forgot about that. And the missile is the fast firing missile, I guess. No, this was the heat seeking. This is the new heat seeking, but we already checked that. Well, let's have our automatic machine gun and let's try out the kinetic effect. Oh wow, look, it just eats away blocks with a kinetic effect on. How about this then? And we have a little icon that says, it says something. Not sure what, but it's blinking. And the kinetic effect doesn't work very well on... Oh, I want to have it on focused though. It doesn't do more damage on the basic armor though. How about the heat effect then? It seems to be the same kind of damage though. Alright, and if it has EM effect. Yeah, well, this target doesn't have any power, so if it says nothing in this menu, I don't think we'll actually know. Okay. So is this different from this? No. Alright. Maybe the effects is just well, we can't really check. We don't have energy on the other one, so we can't try the EM. We can add a little reactor on it though, for sure. Okay. There we have it. Creep over here. And just make a little reactor thing. And then we have, let's see here, this is, let's have the EM effect connected up. Huh. Oh. It doesn't have any reactor usage. Ooh. And now the whole thing is blinking. Oh, it's overheated. And if we have this on that... It seemed that the EM effect killed the reactor blocks faster. That's pretty cool. Slightly anecdotal, but yeah, the regular missiles are the fast one, yeah. Oh well. Last time we tried mines, they crashed the game almost, or they did crash the game, so they're really heavy to use, yeah. But they were kind of cool. So I guess we only have seen some major update there, but it seems that the effects have been incorporated. And we have some, graphical changes. Other than that, it's hard to know what else might have happened. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this little video, and we will end it with a smaller collision. So, yay! Oh god, we're stuck. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the future videos. This is Gmodism signing out.